Hello. Well, are you good at math? Your clutter is. It's real good at math. It can multiply like you cannot believe. Remember that clutter attracts clutter and it will multiply. So if you have a place where you're throwing this, that, and the other, it's going to look terrible and it's going to be a place where you go, oh, well, I'll just put it here with all this other stuff and put it up later. That's how it becomes a clutter pile and it doesn't get put away. And eventually the things in it begin to decay and they need to be thrown away or given away or age out. And so today, when you're thinking about your clutter, remember that it's great at multiplication, and we don't want that. We know enough to know, even if we're not good at math, that we don't want our clutter to multiply. And the only way to stop that is to get it away from each other and put it where it belongs. Put it away, give it away, or throw it away. Make it a great day.